and welcome to day 2 of the total remodel or the total installation of the roof membrane. We are so tired and we're so sore. I'm like, for real. Knees hurt, back hurt. I think my knees and my back hurt the worst. Hey, Daddy. And we're sweating because there's still no air in the RV.
Tor, come here.
But we're all here. We made it back safely from the hotel. I got a little good sleep until today's alarm started going off for absolutely no reason. I guess his work alarm. Anyway, first line of work is we have to go back on the roof because we have to put all of the, what is it called, babe? The trim stuff. What is it called? It's like a trim piece that holds down the actual roof. Plastic tarp. Yeah. So that's still gotta go back on. We are delayed. It is currently 12:34. We're delayed because it rained. It rained this morning. They had to leave the hotel, I think around 7:30. Was it?
7 o'clock, yeah.
7 o'clock. He said, give me his 30 minutes. He had to leave the hotel. Him and Jeremiah had to get up and leave the hotel and run to the house real quick and put the caps on because he started putting the caps on yesterday and it got too dark. So he had to get up, come back to the hotel, come back to the RV. I'm tired. I've been talking all over the place on this video. I'm going to tell you right now. Anyway, and I'll put the caps on and then start putting something else on. Anyway, he came back. We rested for like maybe 2 hours. Now we're back. And he's putting the first air conditioning unit back in. That way, it can start cooling off the RV while we go back on the roof. And the kids can start cleaning up. How about that? And then we'll move our way to all the vents and the other air conditioner, and then we can finally do the install review of the one that's going in my room. So thanks for still being here on this video. I was gonna split it up to 2, but we're not gonna do that. It's gonna be one long video, so keep on coming on. I see you. Guess what? We still ain't on the roof. What time is it? 1:30.
Yeah.
And so Daddy did get the main air conditioner on, but it's still so hot, so we left, and then he looking tired again. He looking like he overworked and underpaid.
Well, yesterday took me out.
Yesterday took him out, so I was like, no, we're not gonna have you looking like that today. So, is that rain?
Yes.
That sprinkles?
Yes.
Look, is that rain coming that way?
I can't tell.
Yes. Oh yeah, I see sprinkles.
Anyway, so we came to Publix to get these sandwiches at their deli because they be busting. We got some waters. And we're gonna go back and try it again. So, let's go. We are back on the roof. Finally stopped raining. Say hey, baby.
Woo! Hey.
And the roof is so wet. So you can imagine, I am wringing wet. But we're up here. We're trying to catch this break that we got here from that storm that over there just passed to get this brand new Rec Pro vent in. Now we love this vent, or we think we love this vent because it is solar powered. Sorry, y'all. We love this vent because it is solar powered and it is rain sensitive. So when it feels rain, it automatically closes itself, and it's powered by the sun. So we don't have to worry about plugging it up to, I guess, electricity. But Zay's gonna install it, and y'all will see what I mean. So let's get into it. It's wet. All our pants are wet. We're sitting in water, but I'm thankful, and we have to take our shoes off because you gonna slip off if you bring your shoes up here. But I'm thankful that it is cool. I would take sitting in water before the heat that we just had. That heat was brutal, one bay. All right, let's get into it. So hubby is putting the butyl tape, what is it called? Some tape on it. And I am going to, and I'm gonna cut the hole open. I cannot get on my knees. I'm gonna have to scoop in this water. Ooh, my body hurts so bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. So come on, you come with me. Ooh, I can't move, y'all. I'm so stiff. Let's get this done. Oh, my kneecap. My knees hurt so bad. I had to cancel a massage. My body hurt because I can't have her massaging my body, and I'm already hurting. Just cut it like an X.
Start here in the middle.
Like this.
Yep, and go to a corner.
Go to a corner.
Cool.
Good?
Yep. Corner to corner.
Look at that toilet. said always close this back up. This fancy. I don't know how to do this. Press it.
Button.
This. It
And
ain't
push
closing.
it in.
You should have said it. Close it like that.
I did. I said push the button and then close it.
I thought it goes down.
Oh no.
Look at my finger. Yeah, he trusts me to do this, so. Stop when I hear that.
What you got?
Any more?
It fits, but it won't go in on the rim.
Why?
It fits around though,
Okay, it fits.
but the cord's in the way.
No, it's not that. It's just like an inch, maybe like an inch left between the actual ceiling and the
Up close.
We might have to trim some off of it.
Come on, need some more. I really hope, I hope y'all help me make sure this. Oops. So she be in there running, huh? So rusty. You want to come outside so bad. Is what? I'm so happy we got that. I'm so happy we got that on for real. This white part. We couldn't have left the white part one on. Ain't no leaving. All right, you want me to be doing this?
Hmm?
And what else could you be doing if I do this?
Put another vent in or air conditioner.
All right, I can call. Gonna save time. I got it.
Okay.
So at this point, we're timing ourselves to get things done. It is almost 4:30. We really want to get at least everything in the holes. I don't know if we get the new air conditioner in today. We can try, but I don't know if we'll be able to get all the sides. It's a lot. It's like 50 screws per side almost.
What's that?
All going around all this.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know if we get that done. But we just had a big old rain and it was all dry. So praise the Most High about that. All right, I'm gonna call. Help him out.
Like being outside.
It's hard to squeeze. My guy. Shoot. Oh, I don't know about this, babe. I can't squeeze it.
Okay.
It's hard. I had to use two hands.
Yeah, I can finish.
Yeah.
Noah.
I try. I keep trying. Oh, I ain't got no upper body strength. I'm making a mess. Oh, it's not
No.
pretty.
Come here. That black thing by the trash bag,
Yeah, I made a little mess.
we gotta clean that off. Gotta scrape all the stuff off of it, and we gotta reuse that one up here on the roof. Okay? You know what scrapers are?
One old hand, with just one hand. Oh, that was almost empty. Huh?
Not yet.
You may know how to pipe a cake.
You say what?
You may know how to pipe a cake. You know what pipe a cake mean?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The little beautiful lines to be in the frosting.
Yeah. Yeah, you should make that birthday cake. Go behind that screw a little bit right there.
Okay.
I don't want no problem. Big Mama up on the roof today. We don't want no more leaks.
Right here?
Yep, there you go. You squeeze it down. Thank you. Big Mama. It's a little piece right here. Is it okay to have any gaps?
Nope.
Okay, well, it's a little gappy right there.
Right where?
Right here. You see that little gap? I don't think you want that. You may want to play with it. Play with that little piece right there. And then it's a little piece right there. There you go.
All right, flatten out.
All right. You self-leveling?
As much as you got, yeah.
Because your girl know what self-leveling mean. Ooh, ooh.
What's self-leveling mean?
It'll flatten itself out.
Yeah.
So are we done with this? Or we got to go inside now? Or we going to do all the on the roof stuff first?
Roof stuff.
Okay.
Stuff on this side.
Okay.
After the fact, we got lights.
Here.
Okay.
Be careful, because that's a hole you just stand in.
Yeah, I need a cap for that. No. Grab me. We don't even know where they at.
Gotten, as you see, the new fan in. So new plan is, instead of keep getting down and going up, we're going to try to install everything on the roof first. Because you can do the inside even when it's dark. See, you can do this long enough. You're like, you know what? Let's change the way we was getting ready to just throw it in there, throw away. We're going to get ready to put the children's Ahutu air conditioner that is voice controlled, which will leave a link to everything that we have in the description box below. But we're going to get that installed. You want me to hold it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Another part of when you do this job, you're gonna get tape. You probably ain't. We probably do better than we did, but we got like glue everywhere. You know, trash. We got glue everywhere. So now the ground is not aesthetically pleasing, but blessedly I got all my rugs up and all my chairs up. But now that we're done, we're taking time to clean up the front yard together as a family. And this is something we'll always remember. Always. That we worked hard, we worked together, and we accomplished something that's difficult. This was no small feat. No, it wasn't.